Hey, yo, is this shit focusing yet, bro? Hello? 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 Hey. Alright, bro. So, apparently, I saw this video. Shout out to, let me pull up his page because this man is like the OG of everything. Freaking OG. You guys know who I'm talking about. If you oh, let me put the light in there. You guys know who I'm talking about. This guy better not. Better give me space, bro. Better give me some space, bro. Alright, look. So this guy, I always watch his videos when it comes to my car. VqDavon G35. Shout out to him, man. He should have way more subscribers. Like way more. This man has helped me with so much stuff on my car. Like so much. Like seriously. But shout out to him. So apparently I watched the video, right? So you gotta turn the car on, obviously. Cold start for the boys? Well, not cold. It's hot as shit, bro. It's like 90 degrees. It says, all right, so look, I'll be right back. Let me watch the video.
I'm that flight that you get on. International. Been around the world, don't speak the language. But your booty don't need explaining.
All right, bro. I'm done. Talk dirty to me. All right, was that good? All right, guys. So you gotta check the temperature outside, right? You gotta put your AC on, right? Damn, is that John working? What the fuck? Oh, yeah, I'm an idiot. You gotta hit this. Damn, that shit dusty, bro. Fuck, don't worry about this, guys. I drove like 8,000 hours. All right, so look, you gotta apparently blast the AC, right? According to this, right? And then let me take you outside to show you where the stuff is. And also, this is what I'm using. All right, boys. I know you hear that ticking sound. It's the lifter. Don't worry, I'm gonna fix that soon. But it has an L on it. That's where you connect this bottle. All right. And you just unscrew it, and then you pop this on. I'm gonna just do this now. And remember, you have to set the temperature of this to whatever the inside of the car says. The car says 87, so you'll put this to 87 degrees. That way, when you do it, it just, I don't know, the math. All right, so take this off. Damn, this shit is hot as hell, bruh. Do you just record me real quick? Just hold the camera. There you go. All right, boys. Push to engage. All right, guys. When you're doing this, when you're pulling the trigger, you want to do this, left, right. All right, guys. When you do it, you want to go left, right as you're doing it. All right. All right, we're on. I think it's almost filled. It's almost filled. It's telling me.
How it's feeling?
Alright, we're good. I definitely didn't do that. AC. Alright, be right back, boys. Guys, I had a leak.
I see that.
I don't know if you can tell, but Jay rigged it. So and it's still leaking. I had to take off the covering that for this little housing.
You don't need
So
You don't need AC. Wait until it hits 100 in summer.
Oh yeah.
I'm gonna fix it, bro. All it is this line right here. This line. And it has to connect down to here.
A metal line.
No, it's not metal. It's a hose. Under it, see, look, it's a hose. Connects right there.
Yeah, you got that.
Where to?
Well, at least it doesn't like stop the car from running.
JB welded.
The hole?
That's actually what we.
Should I do it?
We were
You
going
can
to
get a stick for $7.
Why have JB Weld right there?
What I was suggesting
Is it
was
putty?
just.
Oh no.
Putty is easier.
I was just gonna say put the tape on, then JB weld over top, so it
Yeah.
don't like leak actually into the hole.
Should I do that?
It's your call, man.
It's just a hole.
Yeah.
Should I do it?
Just
It's not like it's fucking ripped.
I mean, you'll live without AC.
Well, bro, it don't matter. It's only at 25, so it's not gonna. So the leak is preventing the AC from working, right?
Because all the freon's leaking out, or refrigerant, whatever the fuck.
So it's not like
Freon.
it's not going in or whatever, right?
It's going in and coming right out.
So like it's not working. Should I just put JB Weld on it, bro? Look.
I mean, if you want to put I would say just another layer of tape maybe, especially around that bottom section, and then if you want to put JB Weld over top.
Bro, all I got is exhaust sealant.
Same thing.
Think this shit will work?
It
It
should.
says
Is it liquid?
it's like no, it's not a liquid. It's like
It's a thick liquid.
longer. It says 30 minutes to dry. Fuck it, I'm putting it on.
The putty takes 6 minutes to dry.
I'm not driving this car for a minute, so
And the putty is not liquid. So you want JB Weld in your AC?
well, it's tape. There's tape on it right now. Should I do it?
You're gonna smell JB Weld.
I'm gonna fucking die from this.
Yep.
Get cancer. You know what? I'm gonna just fix the line. It don't matter. I just buy the hose. It's whatever.
What the?
It don't matter. Damn it.
I'm gonna disconnect this.